Hello, how are you? In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of onion peel tea. What is this tea for? How should it be prepared? What are its benefits? Is it really good for those who want to lower their blood pressure? For those who want to regulate menstrual cramps and menstruation? Is it good for reducing swelling? Does it really lighten hair? Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to tell you all about this right here, right now. First of all, if you're new here, don't waste any more time. Subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notification bell. There are new videos here every day and you won't want to miss them. A lot of people have been asking me to talk about onion peel tea, and it's really interesting to talk more about making full use of food nowadays. And it's true, we always say that the skins of vegetables, fruits, and legumes contain several nutritional components that are beneficial to our bodies, and this is especially true for onion skins. So I've picked out some of the best benefits of onion peel tea, and I'm going to talk more about them for you right now. The very first and significant benefit is that onion peel tea can help your entire cardiovascular system, both by lowering blood pressure, because it specifically contains quercetin, which is a powerful and natural pigment found in onion peel that inherently gives it this remarkable property of reducing blood pressure, thereby promoting overall heart health. But also because it has many phenolic compounds that protect the cardiovascular system by reducing platelet aggregation and the formation of those fatty and fibrous clots that can impair blood flow. So, in a very broad sense for the cardiovascular system, onion peel tea is excellent. Also, because it contains quercetin and phenolic compounds, which are powerful antioxidants, onion peel tea is highly recommended for those who want to prevent the onset of chronic degenerative diseases or avoid their early appearance, as well as premature aging. If you are looking for all the benefits related to antioxidants, using onion peel tea can also help you. I already have a video on the channel talking about the benefits of onions and tips on how to use them. If you want to know more about that, you can check it out, because now this video is about onion peels and their benefits. Always remember that you can use it as a tea, which I'll explain in a moment, or you can also add it to a broth or some dish where you'll use it in a more complete way in your meals. Another very interesting benefit of onion peel is the help it provides during menstruation. By improving cramps, it helps to reduce menstrual pain, since cramps happen due to the contraction of the uterus to expel the blood that was accumulated in the endometrium. So, since it helps with contractions and cramps, it can also, in an indirect way, help with menstrual pain and the amount of bleeding, improving all these menstrual issues. Some individuals often use onion peel tea, sometimes with a bay leaf, to provide support during the menstrual or premenstrual period. This bay leaf tea can effectively help you feel less bloated and retain less fluid. This will benefit you because during the perimenstrual period, fluid retention is usually higher, and combining it with onion peel, which has the effect of reducing cramps and blood flow, can be a good option. Another cosmetic benefit of onion peel tea is for lightening hair. This practice has been around for many years. I remember that many women would make onion peel tea, and after the tea had cooled, they would apply it to their hair and then go out in the sun to lighten their hair. Actually, this particular method only truly works for individuals with naturally dark blonde or very light brown hair, and it's incredibly important for you to be fully aware that it can really dry out your hair. And if you have any sores on your scalp, irritation, or flaking, never apply anything to your hair without first consulting a dermatologist. It may lighten more for some people and less for others, but either way, it's a safe way for you to try to lighten your hair if that's what you're considering, and without any chemicals. So, how do you make onion peel tea? You'll need 4 cups of boiling water and 1 teacup of just onion peels. You peel the onion and keep adding the peels until you fill 1 teacup. Then after that, you put the onion peels in a jar, pour the boiled water over them, and cover it with a saucer for at least 15 minutes. This will make about 4 servings, since each cup holds around 7 to 8 ounces, so that's 4 to 5 servings, and you can use it within 24 hours. You might not use all of this tea at once, so you could save some for the next day, but never let it sit much longer than that before using it. So you don't lose the phenolic compounds and the quercetin, the antioxidants that are naturally present, which will oxidize if they stay in the fridge for a week. So always keep that in mind. If you don't like onion and want something to mask the flavor, you can add a bit of cinnamon powder after the tea is ready, or even infuse it together to release more flavor. You can add a bit of chamomile or fennel along with the onion peel when you pour in the boiling water, because that will blend the flavors and make it easier for you to drink. If you have any specific health condition, or if you are already taking medication to lower your blood pressure, be careful with the tea, because it might lower it too much and make you feel unwell. If you are pregnant or have just had a baby, are breastfeeding, and are already experiencing a lot of uterine contractions, don't drink the tea because it might disrupt something. And if you are pregnant, this is not the time to stimulate or inhibit anything in your uterus, so don't drink any tea that could affect that. And have you ever tried onion peel tea? Have you ever put it on your head to see if it would lighten your hair? What was your experience? Why did you take it? Did you get any results? Tell me about it down below in the comments because I want to know. And like the video. If you're new here, don't waste any more time, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Here I have new videos every day about teas, juices, making full use of foods, the benefits of foods. You won't want to miss them. See you next time. Bye.